Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer of Sallie Tomato. Day 22 brings another something new. It's a fun new day for our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Day 22, the Mountain Thread Company elves pull through again, this time with a little something to add onto a bag or an accessory. Thanks, elves! Today's item includes a 2-yard pack of rope, a free key fob pattern, plus a pack of key fobs in assorted colors, enough to make 2 projects. This project is perfect for making stylish functional key fobs with rope and Sallie Tomato hardware. The sturdy rope and high quality fobs make it easy to create durable, personalized accessories. The Mountain Thread Company has a fantastic tutorial for today's items. I love rope sewing so much, so selfishly, I'm hoping all of you join this train. This project is a fun way to experiment with texture and create another useful and beautiful handmade item that is also easily giftable. We've added a link below for you to join our newsletter group so you'll be notified when the 2026 Advent Box releases. Please share off photos of your fun key fobs or any of your rope sewing projects. We'd love to see what you made. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.